Today we're going to take a look at the destroyer. We have it in 3 different weights today. We have a regular Champion destroyer that's 175. We've got a Blizzard destroyer at 162 and a Blizzard destroyer at 147. So the 3 of us testing it today don't really throw destroyer on a regular basis. We don't have arms that are strong enough. We're going to try to see if a lightweight destroyer will go a long distance for us and be a good go-to disc.
With you.
I see that. All right.
Oh, God. Wow, hook! Hey, this is Ken. I like the lighter version. I was able to control it a little bit better. The 160 Blizzard plastic played just like my regular Champion, so no difference there. If I was going to get one, I'd get one of these, definitely.
I think I'm going to hang on to this disc. I've got a beat-in Star Destroyer in my bag that I use for certain situations, but you know, this one flies a lot differently. I can get some good distance on it, and at 147, it's the weight to buy, I think, for my arm anyway.
Kind of in agreement. The lighter weight really makes a difference and makes it a lot easier to throw and handle with my weak arm.
Again, as a summary, we found that the 162 destroyer flies just like a 175 Champion. I mean, you can see from the video, they fly about the same.
Oh, the camera was rolling!